Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it's time to do an unboxing of my Fabfitfun box. Now this is a fun box, pun intended, for a couple of reasons, because I have not one but two, and I always get two, one for my daughter kind of and one for me. I was getting one and there were some things in there that I wanted to gift to her as well, but I still wanted them, so I thought that I would go ahead and start getting two boxes. They are $50 a month, and not a month, a quarter, and you get over $300 worth of stuff. I think it's guaranteed over $250. So I'm gonna dig in, and they're different. So sometimes I get something in this one that I don't get in the other one. So that's part of why I do it. So here's the first thing. It says Ish Lip Statement Palette. And I usually don't get them on the same day, but they both just arrived, and so I thought that I would check it out really quick. Okay, so here is this palette. Very pretty. And it says that they are lip stains. Use your finger and lightly pat in desired shade for a soft stain. Use a pro brush for full coverage. Create an ombre contouring effect using deeper shade on the outer part of the lips and a light or mid-tone shade to the center. So that's kind of cool. I like that. I'm always up for new lips. And here is something from Maya Brenner. I'm going to put this down a little bit. Hopefully that'll help. So I'm not sure what this is, but, and you can look at your stuff online early, and I just never do. Oh, it's like a little bracelet, and it says love. That's really delicate and sweet. That will be a gift for Katie, because I am not delicate or sweet. No, that's not true, but I'm not delicate. So then here is a Rachel Pally something. I don't know who that is, but that's one thing that I like about this, is that you get some name brand stuff that, you know, I've normally not hear about. Ooh. So it's, I guess it's a bag. Like, I don't know, would you carry this? Like, and then you can open it this way, or is it like a cosmetic case? I mean, it could be whatever you want it to be, I'm sure. Oh, but there's like a little pocket in there. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Kinda. That's a little pocket. So there's a little separator in the middle, and it's just, I mean, it's kind of cool. And I like that it comes in a dust bag. It's probably too young for me to carry. I don't know, maybe not, but honestly, I'm not worried about it. I don't think I'd carry it as a purse, but I might carry it as something. Oh, look at this. Here is Free People, and it's understated leather, and it's a sleep mask, and it's super soft. I could have used this when I was in the hospital. Oh, I like this. It's got like something in it, like a gel or something. It's very nice. I have my glasses on. I'm a dingbat. Good night. No, it is very nice. I like that a lot. Very nice, very nice. I even like the little bag it comes in. I'll probably just store it in there. And then here's something called Super Bloom. Basil, tangerine leaf, anise, violet, geranium, lily of the valley, jasmine, rose, rosewood, cashmere musk, Anderson Lily is the brand, and I have a feeling it's a candle. Yes. Oh my. That's funny. It like comes out. Huh. Oh. But it smells really good, and it's just in like a little tin. I don't know if it's tin, some sort of metal. Very cool. I like that a lot. And oh my goodness, I just bought something like this for my husband. It is a muscle massager. Oh, he will like this. Massage roller, serious results, serious relief. So that's pretty cool. And this is from Physique 57. A few more things. I have this Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. And this is, it says number 3, hydrate. Massage evenly over skin, neck, and over face, neck, and chest. And then it says follow with sunscreen. So there's that. Then it looks like we got a little sample of some Dove exfoliating body polish. In the shower or bath, scoop a generous amount of the body polish with your hand, spread all over your body in a circular motion, and rinse. And then it says follow with a Dove bar. So that's cute. I like that. I've not heard of that yet. And then here is Concealing Ridge Filler Concealing Ridge Filler by Dermalect, and it's called Makeover. And it says good Lord, easy for me to say, brilliantly conceal nail imperfections, successfully fill in ridges, strengthen weak, brittle, hard to grow nails, and treat acrylic or gel damaged nails. So this is a nail polish. Cool, that's nice. I thought it was going to be like something for your face. And then it looks like last, and this one is some body butter, and it says guava body butter. And by Coors, I guess, K-O-R-R-E-S. Let's see what this smells like. Huh, there's not much of a scent at all. And I just love their boxes too. Oh yeah, there is a little bit, it's a flower, like floral. Kind of like, well, I would picture like a rainforesty smell. That's a weird analogy, and I don't know where I came up with it, but that's kind of what I'm thinking. Okay, I'm going to throw away all of these innards. I'm going to keep the box, and then I'm going to tell you how much they all were. And then I will open the other box, I hope. It's my plan. I just need to get out of here quickly because I have a meeting to go to. So usually they all there's a page here that tells you how much everything is, and it's insane. There is no way in the world I would ever spend that much. But let's see here. So yes, we'll start with this bag, the Rachel Pally bag. $60, folks. I wouldn't spend over $15 for it, but $60. And you can use it either way. Use the pattern side up to add a pop of color, or use the reverse side to accent more elaborate outfits. This Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion, $40. Wow. The Anderson Lily candle. It's a nice candle. $45. Are they insane? Who buys this for $45? There is no way in the world I would spend that. And it does say after you're finished with it to use it for succulents, which would be cute, but there is no way in the world I would spend $45 on it. The Lippies, $42, which is still too much, but I don't know, palettes are expensive. This is 20 bucks. Now I can see that being 20 bucks. This, $24. This, $40. 40. This makeover is free. I don't see that. Oh, here it is. $18. This is a sample. And the necklace or bracelet, $65, which is too much. There's no way. Now there's a cute pair of earrings that was also available. If you didn't get this, you got the earrings. I'm kind of hoping Katie got the earrings, and then I'll take that one. So let's see. I'm going to put this box up here and open up Katie's, or the other box. I guess I call it Katie's, but I guess they're truly both mine because Mama pays for them. Oh, looks like she got the same daggone necklace. Darn it. I would have liked to have the earrings. Was mine in gold though, or silver? Oh. So she can have one in gold and one in silver. And they were the most expensive of the two things. $65. There's no way. It's pretty though, but it's not even real. Like, it's not real gold or anything. Okay, and then she got the same lip. I will give that to her. She got the same purse, maybe? I don't know if her design is the same. I couldn't even tell you what my design is. Oh yeah, it's the same. So same design. And I'll give that to her too if she wants it. Same. I'll probably save some of that for Christmas. Same murad. The only thing different with this is the color. So I got the purpley one, and this is the coral. And then there's the murad, and then she got the body butter as well, instead of, because there were two choices for that. You either got the body butter or some collagen infused lip mask. So I guess I'm glad that we both got the body butter. But here is the earrings that you could have gotten, like little tassel-y earrings. Those are pretty cute. But the bracelet's cute too, and you know, I don't care. So that is it for both of the FabFitFuns. I might like save some of this for a birthday or Christmas or something, just because sometimes it's fun to do that and you don't know who you might give it to, especially if Katie doesn't want it. Oh, did she get a candle? Oh no, there's no candle in hers. Is there supposed to be? Yes. Well, I'm going to have to let them know, because that's crazy talk. There is no candle in hers. I didn't take it out already, did I? Don't know where I would have put it. Nope, just an empty box from the candle that I had. So I guess I will be calling them and letting them know that she didn't get her candle, or that box didn't get its candle, because that is something that I would use, and she would probably use too. Not, she could use it in her dorm, but you know what I'm saying. All right, well, thanks for watching, guys. And if you guys are interested, just go to fabfitfun.com and you just sign up, and you can get these products delivered to you. Thank you. Bye-bye.